Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're grilling up some lamb chops on the Karma 32 from WPPO, and we're going to serve these with a delicious lemon and peas risotto. The first thing that we're going to do is trim the lamb racks, and I like to trim off a little bit of the fat between the ribs. And when we have done that, we're going to cut the lamb racks into individual chops. Then we're going to season them on both sides with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Beef Boost, and then let them sit for at least 45 minutes to an hour. Next, we're going to start preparing the risotto, and the first thing that we want to do is heat up 5.5 cups of low-sodium chicken stock. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to a large high-sided skillet over medium heat. And to the skillet, we need to add 1 finely chopped shallot. You also want to add 2 minced garlic cloves. Then we're going to saute this for a couple of minutes, stirring occasionally with a spoon until soft and golden. Now it's time to add 2 cups of arborio rice to the mix. We're also going to zest 1 lemon and add the lemon zest to the rice. And then we want to stir this for about 2 minutes or until the rice is translucent. Then we're going to add a cup of white wine, and then we're going to stir it until the wine is completely absorbed. And then we're going to gradually ladle the broth into the mix as well. Add half a cup at the time, stir, and when the stock is absorbed, we're going to add some more. And you want to do this until the rice doesn't taste crunchy anymore when tasted. It will take about 25 to 30 minutes. Next, we're going to add a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. And we're also going to add the juice from 1 lemon. Then we're going to add 1 cup of frozen sweet peas. And last but not least, we're going to season it with a little bit of pepper as well. Now it's time to heat up the pizza oven, and you want to get a good fire going. And when you have good embers, you want to spread them out throughout the pizza oven. Next, we need to insert the Tuscan Grill into the pizza oven and let it heat up for a couple of minutes. When the Tuscan Grill is hot, we want to pull it out and place the lamb chops on the grill. Then we want to put it back in the oven again, cook for a couple of minutes, and then flip the lamb chops over. And you want to cook the lamb chops until they get a good char and reaches an inner temperature of about 130 degrees. Then it's time to remove them from the grill, and next we're going to plate the dish. And it's super simple. We're just going to scoop a little bit of the risotto at the bottom of a plate, and then add 2 lamb chops to each plate. And then it's ready to serve. And that is how I make a grilled lamb and serve it with a lemon and peas risotto. And I think I have to try this and see what it tastes like. It smells amazing, so here we go. Lamb cooked to perfection. The lemon brings a different dimension to the risotto, combines that richness with a tanginess that makes it amazing. So I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.